All right, time to get cooking. What are the essential ingredients for a resilient workforce? We've got four main things to focus on, like the power-up quartet of workplace awesomeness. First up, psychological safety. This is the foundation, the workplace culture secret sauce. It's about creating an environment where people feel safe to speak up, take risks, and be themselves without fear of being punished or humiliated. Think about it. If you're always worried about getting yelled at for making a mistake, are you going to be innovative? Nope, you're going to play it safe. Next, we have adaptability. This is the ability to roll with the punches, to change direction when needed, and to embrace new ways of doing things. It's like being a chameleon, blending in with your surroundings, but still being yourself. In today's world, change is constant, so adaptability is non-negotiable. Then there's learning agility. This is the hunger to learn, to grow, and to apply new knowledge to new situations. It's about being a lifelong learner, always seeking out new skills and information. Think of it as upgrading your software, constantly improving your capabilities. And finally, the most important ingredient, social connection. This is the power of human relationships, the bonds that hold us together. It's about having a strong support network, feeling like you belong, and knowing that you're not alone. We're social creatures. We thrive when we're connected. So there you have it, the resilience recipe. Now let's talk about why these ingredients matter. Because trust me, they matter a lot.